The instrument is delivered in a cardboard box on a wooden crate. Unpack all components and lift the instrument onto the lab bench. If it's heavy, get a hand from a colleague to make setup quick and easy. Your package includes a mains adapter and power cord, a quick start guide, a waste trough with tubing, an INTEGRA reservoir with insert, and either a rib removal or plate measuring tool. Plug in the power supply, turn on and initialize the instrument. Load the EasySnap dispensing cassette, stretch it, and close the pump hood. The cassette can either be stretched by hand or by using the lever. The cassette can be released by moving the handle to the unlock position and pushing it down. A waste tray with outlet and waste tubing is provided with the instrument. In case you don't have much liquid waste or want to reuse or collect your liquid, you can use the same waste tray with INTEGRA's inserts for 25 milliliter reagent reservoirs. Another option is to use INTEGRA's 25 milliliter polypropylene reagent reservoir with insert as a waste reservoir. The main screen provides an overview of your recently used dispense programs. These programs be started directly from the main menu by pressing Run. The main screen allows access to the plate library, the settings menu, and to define new dispense or cleaning programs, or access the dispense and cleaning program libraries. Before setting up a new dispense program, the microplate you are using needs to be added to the plate library. Measuring and entering the exact plate dimensions is especially important for smooth operation of the dispenser stacker. Either use the Teach function of the WELLJET Dispenser stacker, the plate measuring tool, or your own caliper to define the correct plate heights. Save your plate, and you are ready to start defining a dispense protocol. When working with the dispenser, only the plate height needs to be known or measured to set up a plate in the plate library. When working with the dispenser stacker, more parameters need to be defined. If you work with plates without lids, the total height of 2 plates needs to be defined in addition to the plate height. If you work with plates with lids, 5 parameters need to be measured and entered. Number 1, the plate height. Number 2, the plate height with lid. Number 3, the total height of 2 plates with lids. Number 4, the lid height, and number 5, the skirt height. To define a dispense protocol, the minimum required parameters are: Number 1, the desired type of dispensing cassette. Number 2, a microplate you have previously added to the plate library. And number 3, the dispense volume. Save your protocol and press the Run button to start dispensing. Any saved protocol is stored in the library of dispense programs. If you intend to use a plate which has not yet been added to the plate library, you can use the default plate option. For the dispenser stacker, this option can only be used if the plates are loaded manually onto the plate carrier. To manually load plates, use the corresponding adapter, which is located in the base of the device. Put your plate on the plate carrier and press Run to start your dispense program. An optional tube holder is available for both devices. It accommodates 2 15 milliliter and 2 50 milliliter tubes. Simply cut the cassette silicone tubings to the required length and put it in one of the tubes. This saves valuable reagents and reduces the dead volume of the cassette. The stacker towers are very convenient to install by putting them on the stacker frame and pushing them back until they lock into place. To remove a tower, push the little handle and slide the tower out slightly. The tower is now unlocked and can be taken from the device. Load your empty plates in the left input tower. Filled plates will be stacked in the right output tower. Once you have washed and removed your dispensing cassette from the unit, you can conveniently store the original packaging. For worry-free dispensing, INTEGRA offers 3 different types of service options: Basic Light, Basic, and Platinum. These service options ensure that your WELLJET always performs at its best,